In this tutorial, I'll show you how to bake a normal map by using a Bake from Multires option. Add a multi-resolution modifier. Click Subdivide multiple times. Now we have 12,288 tris. Go to the Sculpting tab and sculpt to add more details to the mesh. Let's go back and bake this high polygon mesh's normal map. Switch to the cycles. Go to the Shading tab and add a new texture. Change the color space to non-color. Change the preview to 2. Go to Bake and select Bake from Multires. Press Bake. This is our normal map. We can test this normal map by adding a normal map node. This is without the normal map. This is after adding the normal map. Remember, the original mesh had 12,288 tris and this mesh only has 192 tris. I'll show you a better example. Create Suzanne. Now we have 251,904 tris. Repeat the process. Add some details like this. This is our normal map. This mesh only has 968 tris. The original had 251,904 tris. This is before. This is after. This is the end of the bake from Multires tutorial. Thank you for watching.